What is up, guys? I am here today in Georgetown with Lennar in the Wolf Ranch community, looking at these extremely cool 3D printed homes. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the NYE model today. There are 4 different models that I'm gonna give you some info on so you know what to expect from this community. And if you want a private tour or more information, give me a call, comment below. I would love to help you out. I'm Kevin Vecchio with eXp Realty. Let's check this one out. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going through the NYE model today. This is going to be 3 beds, 2 baths with 1 half bath and 2,031 square feet. There is a huge price cut on all these floor plans right now. This one specifically is starting at $420,000 all the way down from $550,000. The other 4 models are similar, but each one has very unique distinctions between them. The smallest is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,574 square feet. This is going to be the Dice model, and that's starting at $374,000. Now, all these homes are really affordable in a great area. So if you're looking for something incredibly unique at an affordable price, this community is exactly what you're looking for. The biggest floor plan that's available is going to be a 4-bed, 3-bath coming in at 2,112 square feet. This is the clay floor plan, and these start at $438,000. If you want more information or to schedule a in-person tour to see these 3D printed homes, give me a call, comment below. I would love to schedule a time with you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tour. Thanks for watching another video, and I'll see you on the next one.